도착 몇 번씩 굴려 좀 기다려줄래 어떻게 난 말려든 것만 같아 너의 밀당 게임 오더라도 뜸들일래 나 왜 기다리고 있는지 잘 모르겠어 네 맘도 내 맘도 사실 난 매일 너를 생각해 조금 더 나를 위해 기다려줄 순 없니 It's so good 오늘 기분 좋아
On, your mic is on.
What's up? Hi guys, I'm Seonkyoung Longest.
And I'm Jacob Longest. Do I have to say longest like that?
No, how,
You have,
how,
you have
what?
lipstick on your teeth.
Let's make this chit chat fast so we can go ahead and get into how
Oh,
to make rice.
There
because
she is.
Finally gonna show you guys how to make mixed grain rice. You guys requested this recipe so many times. Every time I share my rice, you guys wanted to know. So there's not really recipe into it. That's why I didn't make it, but I'm just gonna show you.
Can I say something? Let's be real. You don't even make rice anymore. That's why I'm here. I think she forgot how to do it.
No, I didn't. How can I forget how to make rice?
I'll show you how to make rice because
Focus.
she doesn't know how to do it anymore.
I do know how to do it, but I love the taste of your rice.
You know why? Because she didn't have to cook it.
Exactly.
Isn't that true though? All the food that you don't have to make, it always tastes a little bit better at
No,
least.
it's a lot better.
Well, I'm being modest.
It's a lot
I'm
better.
being humble.
So anyways, the first thing is you need a white rice. I still personally like to mix my mixed grain rice with white rice. I think the texture-wise and taste-wise is still more adaptable than just like, you know, straight up brown rice and kakkakakkle in your mouth.
What is it?
Kakkakakkle.
Gaka gaka.
Kakkakakkle.
It's all the. It's like it's almost where it's all everything's like al dente.
Yeah. My ratio is half of the white rice and half of my multi-grain rice mixture. Usually, I mix the multi-grain rice mix with this one and with this one. This is my basic brown rice and this organic beta glucan mixed rice.
I like the black rice in the rice because it turns to that little purple color too.
So if you really love your multi-grain rice to be purple color, you have to have a short grain black rice to that. Let's pour white rice.
You want to measure it? Like 1 cup?
I was going to give them a ratio.
Yeah, but if we have a measuring cup, then we can give a perfect ratio. That's why I'm here. Dun 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 dun. Oh.
So my favorite white rice brand is this yellow rice. It has a lot of Japanese writing, but this is actually product of USA. So yeah, 1 cup of white rice. I personally really love short grain premium rice. I think they are the best white rice type out there. But you can use medium grain if you want to. Long grain won't work that great in my rice mixture or multigrain rice. Would you like to be quiet? Trying to explain something here. Long grain is not working, okay? Because it doesn't have enough starch. So half cup of 2 different types of barley and black rice mixture. I mean, if you cannot find this, use whatever mixed grain rice thing that you have.
Whenever
3/4 cup of brown rice.
Whenever I make it and we're just pushing it the ratio, I always put a little bit more of the mixed grain rice than the white rice. Just a little
I
bit.
like it like this.
Yeah.
This is the perfect ratio. For what shit?
Is that the only reason I'm here?
Okay, Jacob watched the rice. Then how did you measure it?
I measured it so with
Are you like, where are you at?
because you keep pushing.
I have a central disease. I need to be in the center.
So whenever I did this, wash the rice. You wash it as many times as you get the water to be clear. And then you put your hand inside, and then you want it to come up to your knuckles right here. Depending on what Asian household you're in, sometimes you can go and you go either your ring finger or your pinky finger and you go up to the first crease. And we're gonna put it in the rice cooker, so you wanna dry off the bottom too.
I forgot to mention earlier, this recipe will work only electronic or non-electronic pressure rice cooker. So I'm using electronic pressure rice cooker. That's my favorite brand from Korea for Kuku. Not sponsored. I've been using this how many years? About 7 years now, 6 years now. If you don't have a Kuku, do not worry about it. You can use any electronic pressure cooker. Like what's that? The pressure cooker, they're super popular. Instapot.
Instapot.
That will do, but it's not as good as this one. Though. They like literally made it to make rice only, and no other electronic pressure cooker can beat this one to cook rice. The white rice, brown rice, and barley, they all have a different cooking time, and it requires a different amount of water. But some reason in the Kuku it works. As how I usually make white rice.
So we're gonna hook it up, right?
Yeah.
So we'll go ahead and do this. And like if you didn't see me already, I dried this off because you
Maybe
don't.
you're like literally blocking the angles of all the cameras.
Well, I've never made rice on. Give me that.
Let me do it from here then.
Now watch. I can do like this. So then you go.
Things that we do for you guys.
Yeah.
For the
So this is how I
perfect
always cook rice. I make sure that this is facing away from me, so I have no idea what's going on. Then you gotta lock it. Then you gotta set it.
I can't see it.
Exactly. That's why I can set it. Who's cooking this rice?
Okay. I'm not gonna do the turbo because they actually do have a turbo option. So if you do either mixed or white rice turbo, they will cook like so
Pretty
fast.
fast. Yeah, it's really good.
Like as fast as you are making ramen noodles, to be honest. So when I'm cooking white rice, that's what I do. Turbo mode. My mom always uses turbo mode. She never uses regular because she said because of she born in year of dog, that's why she doesn't have any patience. I really have no idea how they're related to, but that's what she's saying.
That's why she just turbos it.
So she always do turbo, but she's gonna kill me. But anyways, I bought year of P, so I use both options.
I don't think that has anything to do with anything.
By the way, this year is year of rat.
The rat. Year of the rat. Last year was your year.
Yeah, last year was great.
It was great.
It was amazing.
So when's the year of the horse? Because that's me. I still have
It's coming.
It's coming.
It's not there yet.
If we hit one more time, that's turbo, and then it cooks like half the time. But
Yeah.
we're gonna cook regular time, and then it'll be perfect texture.
I
Because
honestly, sorry. Moo.
whose show is this anyway? Oh wait a minute, it's your show.
It's our show. No, it's our show. Our show. My show. It's my show.
Yeah,
It's
right.
my show.
All right, so now what are we gonna do?
We just wait.
Right here?
We'll be back. Only 12 minutes left on the rice cooking. And by the way, I forgot to mention, it's depending on the rice cooker. If you guys have the mixed grain cooking function, definitely use that. That's what I'm doing. But if you don't have it, I don't know what to tell you. Buy a new rice cooker.
Get your life together.
I don't know how to cook this on the stovetop. I'm like flat out honest, other than like, I don't know, just regular pot, not gonna happen. Sometimes to have a right product, you have to have a right
Tool.
tool. So I got some kim.
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 Seaweed.
It's like my last name in Korean. I used to be Kim Seonkyoung. Or Seonkyoung Kim. You say Miss Kim, I'm like, huh?
So many things I want
You
to
go-
say right now.
You go Korea and you just like
Miss Kim!
Huh? Middle of nowhere, Miss Kim or Mr. Kim, like half all people turn around. So anyways, I got this kim. This is my absolute favorite kim. Oh, sorry.
So delicious.
It's made with green laver.
Laver?
Laver.
I don't know how to say that.
How do you
Laver?
pronounce it?
Laver?
So anyways, this is the best, my favorite kim ever. So if you see this on in your Korean grocery store, definitely get this. How I cut them. Kim. So you just fold it like this.
I'll do this one while you do that one.
Do it like this.
Right in half.
You'll be surprised how it turns out. And then you do the other way. This is a Korean hack. No other people know other than Koreans. Even though some Koreans don't know.
Nobody else. I know. I'm not
Because
Korean.
we are the only one who eats this.
I know now.
You know because I taught you.
This rice smells so good.
So without making any mess, get the chopstick out. So you don't even have to make your fingers dirty. So excited.
So excited.
This is how we do in Korea. The life hack or kitchen hack, how to cut kim without making any mess. This will change your life, to be honest, about eating kim.
The Kim Tower. Mulamengi.
Mumallengi. Mumallengi.
Mulamengi.
Did you say mumallengi?
Mu.
Mu.
Mal.
Mal.
Leng.
Le.
Leng.
Leng. Like a leng.
Lengi. Lengi.
Mumallengi.
Mumalengi.
Mumallengi.
Mumalengi.
Mumallengi.
Mumalengi.
Mumallengi.
Don't ask me tomorrow. I know mu is radish.
Mumallengi is a dried radish that is rehydrated, and usually we make this spicy salad. So mumallengi is my absolute favorite side dish. I didn't make this. I buy a lot of side dishes, to be honest with you, because food tastes so much better when you didn't cook it.
And it saves a lot of time.
It does.
And she's been a busy woman lately.
Even my mom gave me permission. Seonkyoung, you can just buy side dishes. You don't have time.
She felt bad before then. Now she feels okay because her mom gave her permission.
I can do it.
She really did. She was like, okay, 엄마님 said so. It's happening. So exciting. Moment of truth.
Stop doing that.
Ah, it looks so good.
Good job, eh?
Looks like I've done this before.
Purple rice. And what I usually do, I cook them like a fresh like this and turn it off right away, because any rice cooker, if you hold the rice too long, over an hour or two, the rice color starts changing a little yellowish. I personally don't like that, so I just turn it off like this, and I put them actually in like a little snack bag and put in the refrigerator or freezer and pop it in the microwave whenever I'm ready to eat, and it tastes like fresh rice.
Get the Kim.
I always use 2 kims.
I use one. And then I take it. There's no close-up of this at all. How's my rice? Seonkyoung approved. Asian at home approved. Stamp it. What is it? Lick it, stamp it. I don't know. Let me just eat it.
And the best part of my rice cooker is
Jacob knows how to use it. I just realized why you want me to close this show. Because you don't remember how.
if you guys liked this multigrain rice recipe, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe my channel if you haven't, for more delicious and
for more inspiration
and
and ideas.
The idea of Asian home cooking. Thank you so much for watching, and remember, you can always cook Asian food at your house, making it easy and fun. I'm Seonkyoung Longas.
And I'm Jacob Longest.
And this is Asian at Home. And if you make my recipe, please take a picture, tag me Seonkyoung Longas on Instagram so I can like and comment on your picture, and also reshare on my live story. And I love you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.
Did you say thank you so muchy?
I was trying to kind of go with that.